Good morning. It is officially the first day of summer camp. Are you excited? Joshua is going to be staying home with me. Timmy, say hi. Hi, random people. Let's go to summer camp. Off they go. I still have Joshua. I don't think you can see him. I've got Joshua with me. He did not get into any summer camp this year, so he will be hanging out with me, and we are going to do some filming today. It is actually a filming day, so I will take you guys through how I generally do my filming days. So first we need to stop at 7-Eleven and get me some energy. So generally on filming days, first we gotta like crack this open. That like splattered all over the place. I start with, you know, obviously getting ready. So I got this lunge curler thing. You can probably hear the fan. I'll turn it off for the sake of talking on video. This thing is supposed to be like really good at curling your hair and like cooling it at the same time. Not entirely sure how I feel about it yet, but I'm gonna give it a fair chance. Alright, give us a good curl. So I'm gonna finish doing my hair and my makeup, and on the days before filming, like hopefully not like the day before, but generally it ends up being the day before, I will script out my videos. So today I'm planning on filming 4 videos for the month of July, and yeah, I think just 4, and I have them all scripted out already, so all I have to do is get myself ready, keep Joshua occupied, and film these videos. And I don't take any client calls on these days because I don't want to be interrupted. I just want to be like in the zone of filming. So that's what we're doing today, and we'll see you in a little bit. All right, it is dark in here, but I am, it's very yellow, officially camera ready. I got my hair done, my makeup done, and I'm wearing a dress, but I'm also wearing my leggings under it because, I don't know, why not? So now, why do I keep cutting my head off here? I'm going to transform my office into my filming area. And smack myself in the face with the tripod. It's fine, it's fine. The kids are back from their first day of camp. I like literally didn't really hear anything about it. They're just like, it was good, and that was it. That was it. I guess that's just how it goes these days, but I'm exhausted. I love filming, but the aftermath of filming is just like pure exhaustion because it's a lot of talking to a camera. So I'm going to upload all the footage to my computer and then I'm gonna take the kids out for some rollerblading fun. All right, it is going to be bedtime here.
No, it's not. It's morning.
It is absolutely not.
Yes, it is.
It is bedtime.
You're lying.
I'll never lie.
She's lying. See how bright it is out there?
It is, but it's 8:30.
No.
Say goodnight.
It's bright.
Say bye.
Good morning.
Say see you next time.
See you in the morning. And then see you at night.
No, never. Thanks for coming along on my day with me, and we'll see you next time. Bye.